Welcome back to the chapter Coordinate Geometry for Standard 10. So now we will come to the next topic of this chapter, section formula. So section formula means, now let consider a line AB, the coordinates be x1, y1 and x2, y2. Now a point P is dividing the line AB in the ratio m:n. Now we have to find the coordinate P which is dividing the line. So the formula is, you don't have to learn the proof. So straight away we will write down the formula. So the coordinate of P is mx2 plus nx1 by m plus 1 and my2 plus ny1 by m plus 1. For easy remembrance, you can remember like this: m, you start from here, m into, now this is the first x coordinate and this is the y coordinate. So you have to consider only the x values, x coordinate values. So m into x2 plus n into x1 by m plus 1 n, and similarly for y coordinate, again m into, you have to take this and the coordinate of b. So y2 plus n into y1 by m plus 1, m plus n. Now suppose P is the midpoint, that means m and m is equal to n, that is 1:1. So here if you put 1:1, m and in the place of m and n 1, you will get x1 plus x2 by 2 and y1 plus y2 by 2. And in some of the problems, we can use, instead of m:n, we can use k:1 for easy calculation, because m:n can be written as m by n, m:n, that is m by n, bring it down, is to 1. So we will put m by n as k. So that means here this is k and this is 1. So you will get it as a ratio, the answer as a ratio. Then you can write as k as the ratio. So you will get m:n. So k into x2 plus y into 1 by k plus 1, and k into y2 plus 1 into y1 by k plus 1. So we will do some problems related to this so that you will understand it much better. Find the coordinates of the point which divides the line segment joining -1, 3 and 4, -7 internally in the ratio 3:4. So we know the formula, it is just a straightforward question. It is simply substitute in the formula and find the value of the coordinate of P. So P is mx2, so 3 into 4 plus 4 into -1 by 3 plus 4, and my2, so 3 into -7 plus 4 into the y coordinate by 3 plus 4. So you get this as P 12 minus 4 is 8 by 7 and minus 21 minus 9 by 7. Now find the point of trisection of the line segment joining the points 5, -6 and -7, 5. So here P, Q are the 2 points. Now it is trisected. That means it is divided into, the line segment AB is divided into 3 equal parts. So AP equal to PQ equal to QB. So here what we can do is, we can find either P or Q, and then for the remaining you can use the midpoint. So for here I have taken AP as 1 and PB as 2. So AP by AP is to PB is equal to 1:2. Now we will find the coordinate of P. So again use the formula mx2. So 1 into -7 plus 2 into x coordinate 5 by 3. Similarly, my2. So 1 into y2 is 5 plus 2 into minus 6 by 3. So you get this as PS 3 is 1 minus 12 minus 7 by 3. So you get PS 1 minus 7 by 3. Now we know PQ is equal to PQB. So PQ is equal to QB. That means ratio is MS to N is equal to 1 is to 1. So we will use, now P is 1 minus 7 by 3 and B is minus 7, 5. Now we have to find Q. So the ratio is 1 is to 1. So you can use the midpoint. So Q is equal to x1 plus x2 by 2 plus y1 plus y2 by 2, that is 1 minus 7 by 2 minus 7 by 3 plus 5 by 2. So that is U is equal to minus 3 and then 8 by 6. So that is minus 3 4 by 3. So P is, coordinate of P is 1 minus 7 by 3 and coordinate of Q is minus 3 4 by 3. See here you can also first find the coordinate of Q and then, so there you have to use the ratio as this is 2 and 1, and then once you find the coordinate of Q, then you can use the midpoint formula to find the value of P. Now here you have to prove the points, the 4 points are the vertices of a parallelogram. So if it is a vertices, so we know in a parallelogram the diagonals bisect each other. So suppose A, B, C, D. A is minus 2, minus 1, B is 1, 0 and C is 4, 3 and this is 1 and 2. Now let this be O. So we know diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. So we will find the coordinate of, so AC, so midpoint of AC is equal to, if you take 4 plus minus 2 by 2 and 3 plus minus 1 by 2. So it is 1, 4 minus 2, 2 by 2 is 1, 3 minus 1, 2 by 2, again it is 1. Now let us find the midpoint of BD. So again 1 plus 1 by 2 and 2 plus 0 by 2. So 1 plus 1, 2 by 2 is 1, then 2 by 2 is 1. So we found the midpoint of AC is equal to midpoint of BD. So therefore diagonals bisect each other. Therefore, ABCD is a parallelogram. Now, here 3 vertices of a parallelogram are given. You have to find the 4th vertex. So, for this we will find O using the coordinates A and C. So, for midpoint O of AC, of line AC. So, that will be 2 plus minus 1 by 2 and 2 plus 0 by 2. So, this is minus 1 by 2, sorry, plus 1 by 2, 2 minus 1 is 1 by 2, plus and 2 by 2 is 1. So, this is a midpoint of AC. So, this is 1 by 2 and 1 is what we got. Now, we will use again BO is equal to OD. The reason diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. Now, so we will let this be x and y. So, x plus 3 by 2 is equal to half and y plus 1 by 2 is equal to 1. From this we can say x is equal to minus 2 and y is equal to 2 minus 1, y is equal. So, the coordinates are, so coordinates of D are minus 2 and 1.